Hello, Psychology 1 students. As you may already know, Psych 1 students are required to participate in psychology research experiment. This research experience is not only required by the department, but also, if you participate, you might learn a great deal about how psychology works. Today, we'll be going over the research requirements, the alternative assignment option, where you can find more detailed information, and how you can sign up for research. To meet each research requirement, you have a total of 4 hours to complete. These are due by the designated deadlines. Half of the research credit participation, or 2 hours, must be completed with in-person lab studies. You may also complete the other 2 hours with online studies or complete all hours in person. Make sure you have at least 1 hour completed by the first deadline. The deadlines can be found in the Psych 1 research requirement instruction handouts. Now, let's go over some guidelines. Research participation will be treated as a course assignment. Your participation is worth 6% of your final course grade. To obtain the 6%, you will need to complete 4 hours of research for participation. Note that you can only participate in each experiment once. You'll be able to see your credit hours for each study on the SONA page when you sign in. Attendance is very important. If you sign up for a research experiment, whether it's online or in person, if you cannot attend, you must notify the researchers at least 24 hours in advance. Any student who does not provide 24-hour notice will need to make up the hours with the alternative assignment. When it's time for the study, be respectful to the researchers and follow the directions and guidelines. Point awarded will be commensurate with the effort given. If you do not take the study seriously, the researchers may only give you partial credit. If you prefer not to participate in research studies, you have the option to complete an alternative assignment that will count towards your research requirement hours. Please note that you can combine research participation credit with the alternative assignment credit to meet the requirement. The alternative assignment consists of reading one scholarly journal article and provide a half-page summary as well as half-page reflection of the article. Your alternative assignment write-up should never exceed 1 page. Alternative assignment must be emailed to the research coordinator by the deadline. Refer to the alternative assignment instruction document for detail about how to email the alternative assignment. The number of credit hours from alternative assignment can be combined with research participation. As the credit you receive from the alternative assignment is commensurate with the length of the article you're reading, here's the skill. Let's say that you need to combine your research hours with the alternative assignment, and you have completed 2 hours of research participation. You will need to review an article that is 11 to 15 pages long to receive the other 2 hours of credits, giving you a total of 4 credit hours. On the other hand, if you'll only be completing the alternative assignment, you will need to find an article that is 21 pages or more. You can find more detailed instructions on the alternative assignment handout. Additional information regarding the research requirement can be found online through the psychology page. You should also know about the SONA system, where you can find it at sgsu.sona-system.com. Here, you'll be able to create an account and sign up for the research studies. Let's go over these links then. You can find the links through the psychology webpage. You can also find the page by searching. Type in SGSU Psych Research and it should be the first result. Detailed information can be found on the research requirement and alternative assignment handout. Be sure to review these when completing the research requirement. This page also gives you guidelines to frequently asked questions. Here, you can also find the link to SONA. Now let's go over the SONA system a little bit. Here, you'll be able to sign up for an account, sign in, and see any available research time slots. You can also track your progress, as you will be able to see when researchers give you credit for the studies you have participated in. And after you're logging into the SONA system for the first time, you'll be asked to answer some pre-screening questions. This process is mandatory, but you may choose not to answer some questions. Your answers to these questions will help to determine your eligibility to participate in some studies. You will only need to complete this pre-screening process once. If you have any additional questions, please contact the Research Tools Coordinator at sgsu.spc@gmail.com. Remember that all research hours and the alternative assignment must be completed by the deadline. Please don't wait until the last couple of weeks to complete your requirement. Create your own account with the first few weeks of the semester and log in frequently, as the time slots are always being updated.